Welcome to Learn English with Stories Daily. Today is English listening practice for beginners. You will learn 10 useful words for making a phone call and then listen as Sarah calls her family far away. Stay to the end for the quiz. Let us begin. If you do not understand every word, do not worry. You can listen many times. The more you listen, the more English you will learn. Are you ready? Let us start with our 10 words. Phone. A phone is the machine we use to talk to people far away. For example, Sarah picks up her phone. Repeat after me. Phone. Phone. Call. When you call someone, you talk to them on the phone. For example, she wants to call her mother. Repeat after me. Call. Call. Number. A phone number is the numbers you press to call someone. For example, she presses her mother's number. Repeat after me. Number. Number. Ring. When a phone rings, it makes a sound. For example, the phone begins to ring. Repeat after me. Ring. Ring. Busy. When a line is busy, the other person is already talking. For example, the first time the line is busy. Repeat after me. Busy. Busy. Answer. When you answer the phone, you start to speak. For example, her mother answers the phone. Repeat after me. Answer. Answer. Voicemail. Voicemail is a message you leave when nobody answers. For example, Sarah leaves a voicemail for Emma. Repeat after me. Voicemail. Voicemail. Message. A message is words you leave for someone to hear later. For example, she leaves a short message. Repeat after me. Message. Message. Miss. When you miss someone, you feel sad because they are far away. For example, Sarah misses her family. Repeat after me. Miss. Miss. Goodbye. We say goodbye at the end of a call. For example, she says goodbye to her mother. Repeat after me. Goodbye. Goodbye. Well done. You have learned 10 new words. Now, let us listen to today's story. It is evening in London. The sky is dark and the city is calm. Sarah is thinking about her family in South Africa. She misses them very much. I will call home, she says. She picks up her phone. She presses her mother's number. The phone rings, but then she hears a busy sound. Oh, the line is busy, says Sarah. I will try again in a few minutes. She waits and then she calls again. This time the phone rings and her mother answers. Hello, says her mother. Hello, Mum. It's me, Sarah. Sarah, my darling, how are you? Says her mother, very happy. I am wonderful, Mum, says Sarah. London is beautiful. I have a new friend called Emma. Sarah tells her mother everything: the museum, her new blue coat, her new bank account. I am so proud of you, says her mother. I miss you, Mum, says Sarah softly. I miss you too, my darling, but you are doing so well. Please call me again soon. I will. Goodbye, Mum. I love you. Goodbye, my darling. Sarah feels warm and happy inside. Then she wants to make a plan for dinner. So she calls her friend Emma. But Emma does not answer. So Sarah leaves a voicemail. Hi, Emma. It is Sarah. Let us have dinner tomorrow. Please call me back. Goodbye. Sarah puts down her phone and smiles. Tomorrow will be another lovely day. If you are enjoying this story, tell me in the comments. Who do you call the most? Now, let us listen again slowly. It is evening. Sarah misses her family. She calls her mother. The first time, the line is busy. She tries again. This time, her mother answers. They are both very happy. Sarah tells her about London and Emma. Her mother is proud. Sarah says she misses her. They say goodbye. Then Sarah calls Emma. Emma does not answer. Sarah leaves a voicemail about dinner. Now, let us practice speaking. I will say a sentence. You repeat it after me. Ready? I want to call my mother. I want to call my mother. The line is busy. The line is busy. I will try again. I will try again. Hello, Mum. It is me. Hello, Mum. It is me. I miss you very much. I miss you very much. Please call me back. Please call me back. I will leave a message. I will leave a message. Goodbye. See you soon. Goodbye. See you soon. Excellent. Your speaking is getting better every day. Let us remember our 10 words. Phone. We use it to talk far away. Call. Talk on the phone. Number. The numbers you press. Ring. The sound a phone makes. Busy. Already talking. Answer. Start to speak. Voicemail. A message when nobody answers. Message. Words for later. Miss. Feel sad when someone is far. Goodbye. We say it at the end. Well done. Now, let us check your understanding. Question number 1. Who did Sarah call first? Think about it. The answer is her mother. Question number 2. What happened the first time she called? Think about it. The answer is the line was busy. Question number 3. What is the name of Sarah's new friend? Think about it. The answer is Emma. Question number 4. How did her mother feel about Sarah? Think about it. The answer is very proud. Question number 5. Why did Sarah call Emma? Think about it. The answer is to make a plan for dinner. Question number 6. What did Sarah leave for Emma? Think about it. The answer is a voicemail. How many did you answer correctly? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for listening to Learn English with Stories daily. Keep practicing your English every day. Remember, small steps create big progress. Tomorrow, Sarah and Emma have dinner together at a restaurant. That is our next story. See you there.